And some factors that influence the price of gold is the state of the U.S. economy and the dollar value. Usually gold has an inverse relationship when compared to the U.S. dollar, meaning when the economy is doing really well and the dollar is worth a lot, the price of gold is down. And also the amount of investors it has determines how the price of it, because the more money that people throw at it and inject in the gold market, of course, the higher the price is going to be. So basically, the only time that you should that gold is a really good investment is, I would say, when the economy is doing very well, because that will be when the price of gold is the lowest. Like here, in the 20s, the economy was doing awesome, and the price of gold is low. And then when in the 30s, 29, the stock market crashed, so the dollar plummeted, and there was a sharp increase in the 30s for gold. And then you go down to the 70s, where we had an oil strike, and it skyrockets in price. And then through the 80s and 90s, where we had like the tech boom and stuff like that, and the economy was doing very well, the price of gold remained steady. And then you get into the 2000s, when the housing market and the end of the tech bubble crashed, and the U.S. dollar once again went down. You can see that the price of gold skyrocketed. And then now we'll talk about the industrial metals. Right now, the Chinese economy is they're expanding and they're doing very well. Last year, their GDP increased by 8%, and they since they're expanding so much, they're building a lot, and they're using a lot of the industrial metals like the steel, the copper, stuff like that. And what that means is